ham steak, roasted potatoes, and broccoli.
The Sunday dinner chef will make you feel fine. Sit down, let's have a drink and enjoy the show.
Welcome back. I am Tom, the Sunday dinner chef. Well, today we're going back in time. This was one of my favorites when I was younger. When I'm saying younger, when I was a kid. Sunday dinner ham. That's what they used to call it. And whether it was a whole ham or ham steaks, it was fantastic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be mimicking what my mom used to do. She used to take the potatoes, slice them up, because there was an army that was there. And rather than making the traditional mashed potatoes or baked potatoes, she would take the potatoes and oven roast them, but boil them first. So I got a pot of water there. I'm going to put some salt in it. I'm going to put the potatoes in, and I'm going to bring them to a boil until they are fork tender. Okay, I have one large red onion, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use half of it. I'll wrap the other one up, put it in the refrigerator. I'll use it for another cook. This is pretty big, just for the two of us. I don't want to overpower the broccoli with it. So it's going to be a combination of broccoli, red onion, half a red onion, and some garlic. I love my garlic, and I'll be chopping that up also. It's going to go in with this vegetable medley. So now we take some broccoli, we buy it fresh, we steam it and blanch it, put it into a vacuum sealed bag into the freezer for this actual type of dinner. Add the onions to it, and I'm going to chop up some garlic, but I'm going to show you though what we're doing here. Got this on sale, $5 for a ham steak. You can't go wrong with it. I mean, talk about saving money. And I tell you what, I've had this brand before. It's not too thick, but I tell you what, cooks up very quick, makes for a great Sunday dinner. Now, you know I use a lot of garlic, and what I'll do is I'll put it into a vacuum sealed bag, keep it in the refrigerator, and this is how I take it out of the vacuum sealed bags, put it into here, chop it up. We use a lot of garlic, so I'm going to chop it up real quick. Told you I was quick. Okay, potatoes is just about done. We're going to start putting this onto the pan, and you know what? This is a very nostalgic day for me, so you know what? I'm going to kick back and put a little music on.
Sit down dinner or a brunch. Sunday dinner means so much. Old traditions and such. Sunday dinner means so much. Keeping loved ones in the thoughts. Cooking foods they love so much. Sunday dinner means so much. mean so much. Old traditions and such. Sunday dinner means so much. Keeping loved ones in the thoughts. Cooking foods they love so much. Sunday dinner means so much. Sunday dinner means so much. Oh, Sunday dinner means so much. Brings a family more in touch. Sit down dinner or a brunch. Sunday dinner means so much. Old traditions and such. Sunday dinner means so much. Keeping loved ones in our thoughts. Cooking foods they love so much. Sunday dinner means so much. Sunday dinner means so much. Brings a family more in touch. Sit down dinner or a brunch. Sunday dinner means so much. Old traditions and such. Sunday dinner means so much. Keeping loved ones in our thoughts. Cooking foods they love so much. Sunday dinner means so much. Sunday dinner means so much. Brings a family more in touch. Sit down dinner or a brunch. Sunday dinner means so much. Old traditions and such. Sunday dinner means so much. Keeping loved ones in our thoughts. Cooking foods they love so much. Sunday dinner means so much.
Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen, right there. Delicious Sunday ham dinner. Okay, ham steak. I prefer a ham steak over a regular ham. $5. Okay, 2 potatoes, and I guess maybe a cup and a half of broccoli, some onion, some garlic, a little oyster sauce on it. The ham got a little bit of honey glaze on top of it. I can't use too much. And also a little bit of paprika on the potatoes. Doesn't get any simpler. And I tell you what, tasted fantastic. Brought back a lot of memories. Took me down memory lane about, a Sunday dinner with my parents. And I guess it's tradition. Are we losing traditions? Possible. Make your own. Start a tradition. If you're a young couple, make sure you have Sunday dinner and teach your children. Guess what? This is what it's all about, to be around family. All right, everybody, listen. Hit that like and subscribe. See you next Sunday.
The Sunday dinner chef will make you feel fine. Sit down, let's have a drink and enjoy the show.